This very new, voted on, passed by the voters this past November. This new sale of lethal fentanyl charge was part of that Secure the Border Act that passed with more than 60% of the vote in the general election. Today, the Maricopa County Attorney's Office announced that this woman, believed to be the first person in the state charged under that law.
I show them the deadly dose. It can be as little as 2 milligrams. We can't arrest it away, prevent it away, treat it away. We have to work together.
For more than 2 decades, Stephanie Siete has spent her career educating kids and adults about the dangers of drugs.
It is still the fentanyl crisis. It's gotten a little bit better, but people are still dying from fentanyl every single day.
One of those fentanyl victims was 49-year-old Todd Gordon last November. Today, the Maricopa County Attorney's Office announced prosecutors used a new law in that case. They charged Cruzita Leon with the sale of lethal fentanyl. Prosecutors say they found text messages between Leon and Gordon setting up a drug deal and suggestions on how to take the drug in powder form. Prosecutors say detectives later went undercover to buy fentanyl from Leon.
When a defendant is charged with multiple crimes for the same set of acts, it's really just multiple ways for the prosecution to prove a case.
Under the new law, a person 18 years or older can be charged if that person knows the drug they're selling has fentanyl in it and that fentanyl kills someone. But the defendant can avoid prosecution if they show the fentanyl was manufactured in the U.S. or brought to the country legally. And that is where defense attorney Russ Richelsoff says the law runs into a constitutional problem.
The statute didn't have this affirmative defense. You wouldn't have this potential constitutional challenge of burden shifting.
Richelsoff says the burden on the defendant may be too much. The DEA reports fentanyl made in Mexico is the main driver of the epidemic. Much of that drug makes its way into the country through Arizona. How much of a difference do you think that this law will make realistically?
I hope it makes a difference.
And the sale of lethal fentanyl is a Class 2 felony now in Arizona, except the minimum, maximum, and presumptive sentences will be increased by 5 years. Leon is also charged with manslaughter and other felony drug charges. For now, reporting in studio, Zach Prelutsky for Arizona's Family.
Zach, thank you. New tonight,